Hi, my name is Jonathan with MyIncomeStreams.biz, and yes, that is my mug you're seeing. Many have asked me what business I'm in that I'm having so much success with. First off, I'm no different or better than you. My success is not because I'm experienced or a guru. My success is purely because I joined and plugged into a business that has already been successful. This means anyone, including you, can also enjoy the same success I do, and here's why. The company is stable. The company has been around for at least 5 years and is still growing. The system is duplicatable. This means anyone can join, follow an easy step-by-step process, and start seeing results. The business is scalable. There's truly no limit to how big your business can grow and how much money you can make. You're paid a residual income. This means you get paid every month for work that you did only once. It offers a flexible platform. Not everyone will want to promote this business, and they may only want to promote a business that they're already in. And that's okay. The tools can still be used to promote any business. You will have the best lead generation tools. The greatest asset in any online business is leads. You'll be using the best and most proven tools to grow your leads with the ability to control, manage, and connect with them. With all of these reasons, the only reason not to be successful is simply to not try. Go ahead and click on the link in this video description to learn more and get started. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this with anyone this could help. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the inside.
Created using Powtoon.